Ever wondered why we always close our eyes when we sneeze? It's more than just a habit, it's a reflex. Sneezing creates a powerful burst of air from your body. Closing your eyes is a natural protection mechanism. The theory is that it prevents germs from entering your eyes, though the evidence for that is limited. Some think it's linked to nerves connecting your eyes and nasal passages. Stimulating one affects the other. It's tough to keep your eyes open when you sneeze. Try it. You will find it hard to do so. Though rare, some people claim they can sneeze with eyes open, but doctors advise against it. So next time you sneeze, embrace the blink. A cool body quirk, right? If you enjoyed this, consider liking this video.